Hello, Yatri. So today's video on TiDB database, which is something really new for you. Am I right? I guess it's totally new for you to know about TiDB. So before going to the start, I'm going to say thank you so much to all of you Yatris. Why? Just because of your support, your love, your everything. As you can see on my last birthday video, you gave one all your honest answer, which I expect, right? And above one expectation, how you are describing what you learned from our Yatri Cloud. Heads up to all of you Yatris, and thanks a lot to give more details, insight about everything. So really good, and thank you so much again. So I'm going to again give you the Excel sheet where you need to submit your email address, and you will be getting updated by today or by tomorrow morning itself. And really again sorry for the delay to giving you the all the five benefit. And who is given the first comment on this answer? I will give you the LinkedIn premium. So that would be, wait till tomorrow. I will announce it in the YouTube channel itself. I will pin this comment on this video. Okay, so you can check this video. The specific is for you. So yeah, a little bit about from the last video. So yeah, back to the point. So here, as you can see, I'm going to share you TiDB database. Let Yeah. So back to here. Get TiDB certified. Now see, this is kinda I can say new, not in the market. No, it's really inside the market. If you know, then it's really good. If not, then try to understand. Okay. Why? So TiDB is the MySQL plus big data tools combination in a very simple manner. So let's understand. In MySQL, you are going to write queries and fire this query into the particular MySQL. So what actually differentiates the TiDB? With TiDB, you can handle more queries, high amount of massive data. You can, handle to solve the data. You can working on the data in a very efficient manner as much as possible. So everything you can manage on very high scale when you are working on the enterprise application, when you are working with your highly configured database, right? So that's something. So you can check it out. The more information about TiDB, I will give you the link in the description where you can check it out. The more information about TiDB, as you can see, the table of contents. So this is all information which you need to understand about TiDB. So this is really help out to you to understand how TiDB is working with the MySQL and how it the difference between the AWS and TiDB. Okay. So that is something you need to understand. You can read out this all the documentation. Fine. So yeah, now let's certify it together. So back to the point, the free exam coupon. So here is not a coupon by the way. So here is the just normally you can schedule the exam and you can pass the exam. It's around 20 questions. Maybe I'm not wrong. That's it. Okay, nothing too complex, but need to understand this TiDB, which is something kind of new for you. So try to understand, take your time. Okay, take your time like 1 week, 2 week, and go for it. So here you can see, when I'm going to scroll down, this is the entry level certification to design to anyone demonstrate understandability or particular the you can say the basic concept of TiDB and the use case. So yeah, here you can see no prior experience is required, no cost, no limitation on attempt. So this is something for all of you guys who are currently in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, doesn't matter. So excited, na, right? Okay, so yeah, here you can see the advanced certification. So this is something kind of if you want to go it on data engineering side specific, you can process further. But not go further before passing this exam, before understandability of all information about TiDB. So yeah, what you can do, just click on the start your journey to become the TiDB expert. And after this, you need to just click on the register now and you need to just give your basic details. Okay. How? See, this is just something kind of you can see the course, right? And this is the exam you can say. And here I already passed the exam, so I can't able to restart again. But you need to just sign in with your account and you can just try to give this exam, which is totally free. No need to worry about it. After passing the exam, you will be get the email You will be get a 20 credit to use into learn TiDB. It's labs. Okay. So that's kind of things which you will be getting 20 credit. Okay, oh sorry, 20 labs you will be getting, okay, to access it. So yeah, that is something kind of you will be see, and I will showcase you my certification, how it looks like. Let me check once. Yeah, this one. So certification, PingCAP is certified TiDB practitioner. This kind of you can see the certification. Now the question is that how can access this TiDB certificate? Correct. So you need to nothing to worry about it. You need to just go to your website again. Go to return your TiDB certificate. Click here. After passing the exam, you to just give your first name and last name which you submitted, and you need to submit your account which you are going to sign in, and your certification name TiDB practitioner only. And after click on the submit, you will be getting your certificate. Oh, sorry. So you will be getting your certificate. Okay. And here is your ID. Let me check once. 571, right? As you can see, this one. Just copy this ID and again back to your TiDB. Again, I need to go back, and here you can see the verify your TiDB credentials. Click here on the verify and just paste your number and verify your credential. And here you can see it's verified now. So that kind of you can check it your credentials is active or not, right? And again here you can expand your network. You can join the LinkedIn group after passing the exam only, and you can promote your certification with Yatri Cloud and TiDB, and you will be getting access. How you will getting the access? Let me show you. So here you can see the 20 free lab credit which you will be getting after passing the exam. You will be getting the email something like that. Okay, so this is something you can check it out the email. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just wait for the giveaway which I'm going to announce from my birthday. So thank you so much. Stay tuned and subscribe to the Yatri Cloud. Follow me on LinkedIn and do your best. Bye bye. Take care and see you soon.